Oh shit.
It's like I got you. I wasn't
Can y'all see me? I don't know. I got shades on in the room. Shades on in the room. Shades on in the room. Put them back on.
Who's that?
So this is a video. As for all y'all hating hoes out there who said we can't rap. We know this video finna become viral.
Double tapping.
So this is our song.
Oh, that's what we're gonna do?
Yeah. So this is our song, you know what I'm saying? Came up with a quick little 2-minute session. It's a freestyle. You know what I'm saying? It's called Double Tapping Pictures, you know what I'm saying? Liking pictures. It's not liking pictures no more. Double tapping pictures. Here we go. Double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. I be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. I be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. I be double. If you is a bad bitch, double tap. If you pull some mad hoes, double tap. If them hot shoes is real hard, double tap. If your clothes is real nice, double tap. If I got a trust on you, I'm double tapping them pictures every day. I like them every time you come my way. I be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. I be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. If I like your picture, I'ma double tap. If I like your picture, I'ma double tap. I be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. I be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. I be double tapping pictures. Like your picture, you know I'm a double tap. I don't expect you to throw that ass back. I just wanna like your picture because I think it's cute. Girl, if you ugly, get off my timeline. I only double tap bad bitches. I only double tap hard shoes. I only double tap you if you pull some mad hoes. Double tapping pictures every day, every night, every time I see a picture on my timeline, then it's right. I be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. I be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. If I like your picture, I'ma double tap. If I like your picture, I'ma double tap. Double tapping pictures. We be double tapping pictures. We be double tapping pictures. Double tapping pictures. You know what I'm saying? That's just a little something that we do for y'all.
Like an hour long.
That was only 3 minutes. But yeah.
I think it froze.
I'll be double tapping pictures on IG, son.
IG.
IG. Instagram. I'm a real G. So follow me on IG.
It's the meter.
Live.
Worm.
And live like worm. Worm.
Worm.